Stress is a part of everyone's life. Stress is a physical and psychological reaction to a perceived threat. Stress evolved to keep us alert for danger, which helped keep us alive. Stress can help people perform better, and some people like stress and even thrive on it. But for other people, it can cause debilitating problems. The symptoms of stress can include things like a racing heart, an upset stomach or nausea, headaches, or sexual dysfunction. Stressors are things that cause stress, while triggers are events or incidents that actually set off the stress mechanisms in your body. Stressors can come from any one of a number of sources, including financial problems, relationship difficulties, family, work, and taking 8-week online courses at community college.
Hey! You're gonna get us in trouble!
And school. In the modern world, something like stress that was originally meant to keep us alive can instead cause us problems. Chronic stress, instead of helping to keep you alive and healthy, can actually make you sick. And in extreme cases, chronic stress can even kill you. Chronic stress can cause health problems or make them worse. Things like depression, anxiety, pain, sleep problems, weight problems and obesity, sexual dysfunction and reproductive problems, and thinking and memory problems. So, now that you have some ideas about what stress feels like, what stressors are, and the bad long-term effects stress can have, what can you do about it? Well, some things you can do to help reduce your stress include exercising regularly, eating well, getting plenty of rest, managing your time by setting goals and priorities, talking to someone you can trust, like a friend or professional, doing relaxation exercises or meditating, and not taking 8-week online courses at community college.
Seriously! Cut it out!
Okay, forget that last one.